Yang Berhormat Datuk Seri Dr. Wee Ka Siong, Relations EU Delegation.
Today marks a very important step in our journey forward. Our fleet modernization plan.
The Sustainable Development Goals 13 SDG 2030 in accordance with the Paris Agreement towards reducing carbon emissions by 45% by 2030. Must wings to continue to play its active role to facilitate seamless connectivity for business and leisure travelers alike through the strategic hub of Kuala Lumpur International Airport, while also being a key driver in stimulating the economy and tourism recovery of Malaysia. With that, I conclude my speech. Once again, congratulations to all parties. Terima kasih. Ruben Dandri, CCA. Thank you.
Moving on, and with great pleasure, I'd like to invite Yang A big round of applause for the team.